Many holidays, including Thanksgiving, come around only once a year. Thanksgiving is all about family and friends, food, and giving thanks. But what do you do when you're on a weight loss plan during this time? How do you keep from sabotaging the entire weight loss plan? With some helpful tips, you can have some of the traditional favorites and still enjoy a guilt-free Thanksgiving feast. First, get active during this time. In fact, start increasing your steps and amount of exercising a few weeks before and on the day of the holiday. Take a walk in the morning and again after dinner on Thanksgiving. In fact, get the family involved. Exercising will create a calorie deficit to burn off the extra calories. Second, try modifying some of the recipes by including less sugar and fat. Many recipes call for a high amount of these ingredients to begin with. Most people will not even realize that you cut back on these ingredients. Third, remember, if you keep your portions small, you can try out everything. Before filling your plate, check out the table and plan out what you're going to have. Maybe avoid foods which you typically have all year round and have small portions of things that you generally don't have except for around the holidays. Try to stick to having only one plate. Avoid second helpings. Maybe save it for leftovers the next day. Fourth, avoid things where calories add up quickly, like alcohol and sugary beverages. Save those calories for a nice piece of pie instead. And above all, set realistic expectations. Remember that Thanksgiving only comes around once a year. There is no need to deprive yourself. Do partake in the fun and feasting. Just shift your mindset from weight loss to weight maintenance. This is because maintenance of weight during the holidays is also a sign of success. Happy Thanksgiving from all of us at PPWWC.